The Boeing E-7, Airborne Early Warning and Control Aircraft, is a modified version of the Boeing 737 airliner, designed for military use. It is primarily used for airborne surveillance and command and control functions, including air traffic control, maritime patrol, and reconnaissance missions. The E-7 is equipped with advanced sensors and communications systems to detect, track, and identify aircraft and ships at long ranges, providing valuable situational awareness to military commanders. Radar. The E-7 has the Northrop Grumman's APY-2 radar, a state-of-the-art airborne early warning radar system. The radar is capable of detecting and tracking targets at ranges of up to 370 kilometers. It can provide high-resolution images of ground-based targets and information on airborne targets such as aircraft and missiles. Advanced surveillance capabilities. The Boeing E-7 aircraft has advanced surveillance capabilities to detect and track targets at long ranges, providing valuable situational awareness to military commanders. Some of the advanced surveillance capabilities of the E-7 include the electro-optical sensors, electronic support measures, and identification friend. The advanced surveillance capabilities of the E-7 provide military commanders with critical information on the location, movement, and identity of potential threats, enabling them to make informed decisions and respond quickly and effectively to emerging situations. Communication and coordination. The Boeing E-7 aircraft is designed to provide enhanced communication and coordination capabilities to military commanders, enabling them to coordinate their forces and respond to emerging threats. Some of the key features that enable the E-7 to provide enhanced communication and coordination: the advanced communication systems, command and control systems, battle management systems, data link networks. The enhanced communication and coordination capabilities of the E-7, providing real-time situational awareness and a central hub for military operations. The E-7 can help to improve the effectiveness and efficiency of military operations and enable commanders to make more informed decisions. Integration with other military assets. The Boeing E-7 aircraft is designed to integrate with other military assets, including aircraft and ground-based systems, to provide a comprehensive and coordinated approach to military operations. Some of how the E-7 can integrate with other military assets include integration with fighter aircraft, integration with ground-based sensors, integration with maritime assets, integration with ground-based control centers. The ability of the E-7 to integrate with other military assets is a critical component of its effectiveness. By providing situational awareness and command and control capabilities, the E-7 can help to create a more coordinated and practical approach to military operations and enable commanders to make more informed decisions in complex and rapidly evolving situations. Comparison of the Boeing E-7 to other planes in its class. The Boeing E-7 is a unique aircraft, combining advanced surveillance, communication, and coordination capabilities into a single platform. While several other aircraft in its class perform similar roles, the E-7 stands out in several key areas. Here is a comparison of the E-7 to other planes in its class: Northrop Grumman E-2 Hawkeye, Saab 340, Boeing E-3 Sentry, Airbus A330 MRTT. Future developments. The Boeing E-7 has already demonstrated its capabilities in various military operations worldwide. However, as technology advances, several future developments and potential applications could further enhance the capabilities of the E-7. Some of these developments and applications include autonomous operation, integration with unmanned aerial vehicles, enhanced cybersecurity, civilian applications. Thanks for watching.